Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an attachment to a Mailchimp email. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Now let's create a new regular email to show you how to attach a file, for example, a PDF. Let's go directly to the design email step. Once you're inside this email builder or email design step, just scroll down to the bottom and add a text block or a section. Add it where you want, just like that, for example, and click on download the attached PDF. Now select your text and click on this link icon from the editor tools. From link 2, select file from this list. Click on this upload button to upload your file from your computer. This is my PDF. The upload is started. Now click on this insert button. As you can see, this text was turned to a link. Click on save and close. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is your attachment below your audience. Don't forget to mention in your text that you have an attachment that needs to be downloaded. And this is how to add an attachment file in Mailchimp email. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.